Samsung is kicking off 2025 with some serious firepower, from AI-powered flagships to foldables and budget 5G beasts. So today, we're breaking down the best Samsung phones of 2025 and which one deserves a spot in your pocket this year. Let's start right at the top. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is Samsung at its absolute best, combining raw power, precision, and premium design. At the heart of it is the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, built to handle everything from AI-enhanced photography to demanding gaming sessions without breaking a sweat. The AI Night Mode. Camera is a game changer this year, capturing cleaner, brighter shots in low light with stunning detail and minimal noise. You get a massive 512 gigabytes of storage, perfect for 4K videos and pro photography, and a 5,000 milliamp hour battery that easily lasts through a full day of heavy use. And yes, the iconic S Pen is built right in, perfect for note-taking, editing photos, or just sketching ideas on the go. If you want the ultimate Samsung experience, this is the one to get. Check the description for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's most powerful and complete smartphone yet. Next up, the Samsung Galaxy S25. It shares the same DNA as the Ultra, but in a more compact, practical form. It's powered by the same Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, so you're getting flagship performance for gaming, photography, and multitasking. The ProScaler display offers incredible brightness and contrast, making everything from streaming to editing feel immersive and vivid. With AI Night Mode and improved stabilization, the camera system delivers crisp results in both daylight and low light conditions. The 4,000 milliamp hour battery may sound modest, but Samsung's efficiency this year makes it last surprisingly long, easily a full day on moderate use. If you want the best Samsung experience without the Ultra's price tag, this is your all-rounder. Find the Galaxy S25 linked below, a compact powerhouse that nails the balance between power and practicality. Now, for those who want something futuristic, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is pure innovation in your hand. Samsung has refined this foldable into something truly impressive, lighter, faster, and now packed with AI photo editing tools that make content creation seamless. Unfold it, and you get a massive tablet-sized display that's perfect for editing videos, reading, or running multiple apps side by side. When folded, it's sleek and pocketable, ideal for business users or multitaskers on the go. Inside, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip ensures everything runs butter smooth, while the large battery delivers solid endurance for a dual display phone. And with Samsung's AI smarts built right in, you can instantly remove objects from photos, auto-summarize notes, or even translate conversations in real time. It's bold, premium, and incredibly capable. The Galaxy Z Fold 7, for those who want more screen, more power, and more creativity. Links in the description. If the Fold feels too big, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is your stylish, compact option. This clamshell design still gives you flagship-level performance thanks to the same Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, but in a sleek and portable package. The outer display is larger than ever, perfect for quick selfies, notifications, or controlling music without flipping open. Once open, the 120Hz AMOLED main screen is bright, fluid, and ideal for content creators and casual users alike. Battery life has seen a big boost this year, lasting comfortably through the day, and the camera system captures vibrant shots with Samsung's AI optimization. If you want something fun, functional, and flexible, the Flip 7 is it. Grab the Galaxy Z Flip 7, the most stylish Samsung phone of 2025. Link in the description. Next, we have a comeback that'll excite a lot of longtime Samsung fans, the Galaxy S25 Edge. This one reintroduces Samsung's signature curved design with a sleek new look and impressive hardware under the hood. You're getting the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, ProScaler display, and AI-powered night video mode, making it ideal for creators who shoot on the go. The 256 gigabyte storage and all-day battery make it practical, while the titanium silver finish gives it that ultra-premium vibe. This model is perfect for users who want the performance of the S25 line, but prefer a curved, immersive screen. The S25 Edge delivers style and substance. Check the link below for more details. And finally, for those who want Samsung reliability without the premium price, the Galaxy A36 5G is your pick. It brings 5G connectivity, a 128 gigabyte storage, and a sharp AMOLED display at a surprisingly affordable cost. Powered by Samsung's efficient mid-range processor, it handles multitasking and everyday apps easily, from social media to light photo editing. It's also got a rugged design, making it a great choice for students or outdoor users who need durability with performance. This phone proves you don't need to spend big to get a great Samsung experience. The Galaxy A36 5G, solid performance, great design, and excellent value. Links in the description. And that's our lineup of the best Samsung phones of 2025. From the futuristic Fold 7 to the budget-friendly A36 5G, Samsung's lineup this year has something for every user. Check out the links in the description and find your perfect Galaxy.